GO number 1. To take charge of this post and all government properties in view. GO number 2. To walk my post in military manner, keeping always on the alert in everything that takes the place within sight or region. GO number 3. To report all violation of orders I am instructed to enforce. GO number 4. To repeat all calls from my post more distant from the guardhouse than my own. GO number 5. To quit my post only when properly relieved. GO number 6. To receive, obey, and pass to the sentinel who relieves me all orders from the commanding officer, officer-to-day officers, and non-commissioned officers of the guardhouse only. GO number 7. To talk to no one except on the line of duty. GO number 8. To give alarm in case of the fire or disorder. GO number 9. To call the commander to relief in any case not covered by instruction. GO number 10. To salute all officers, callers, and understand not case. GO number 11. To be especially watchful at night during the time of challenge all persons near my post and to allow no one to pass without property authority.
Manda sa pagsasanay sa pag-awak ng sandata sa kanang balikat. Ta.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Kaduwang balikat. Ta.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Agap. Ta.
1, 2,
Baba. Ta.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Siyasat. Ta.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Agap. Ta. Baba. Ta.
1, 2, 3.
Tanghal. Ta.
1, 2,
Baba. Ta.
1, 2, 3.
Tikas. Nga.
1.
Paluwag.
Salamat po.
Tong. Da.
Og.